question answer. Do this book exercise. You can fill this in the book. No need to do the book exercise in notebook, student. Clear? Look at this sentence. Evelyn was determined to live a normal life. Clear? Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. The italicized parts answer the question. Italicized part. To conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. What was Evelyn determined to do? To live a normal life. And what did Evelyn manage to do? She managed to conceal, to hide her growing deafness from friends and school. They begin with two verbs. Infinitive, which we already discussed many times in 8th class also. So infinitive means to show the purpose of the doer or subject. Clear? To live, to conceal. Complete the following sentence beginning with to verb. To verb means infinitive. You should have to use infinitives. Clear? Because main verb is given always, and when you wanted to clarify the idea, you should have to use infinitive to add the second verb. Clear? Try to answer questions in brackets. The school sports team hopes. What the sport team was hoping? To win the tournament. What does it hope to? So school sport team always hopes to what? To win the tournament or to win the match. You can write whatever you want to. Clear? But sport teams always hopes what? To win something. To win the match. To win the tournament. We all want. What we all want to? Here your answer can be according to you, but you should have to write like this. We all want to be successful in our life. It is the most desired thing by all of us. We all want to be successful in our life. But you can also make your sentence according to the present situation. We all want to be free from this coronavirus. Clear? They advise the hearing impaired child's mother. So what they advise her to do? Hearing impaired child means the child who is not able to hear. So there is some defect in his hearing impaired, deaf. Okay. To get her checkup by a specialist. So they advise. Listen, students, it is from Evelyn's chapter. So they means the school staff, the principal, advise the hearing impaired child's mother means Evelyn's mother to get her checked up by a specialist. The authorities permitted us to. Authority permitted us to what? What the authority permitted us to? So in whatever authority you are going to talk, so they permit you to what? Here I have used this word, to use the auditorium for the concert. The authority performed us to use the auditorium for the concert. Fifth one, a musician decided to. What did he decided to? Musician क्या decide करेगा? To play at concert. Clear? Or you can also write to sign the agreement. Clear? Next exercise is from the text on Bismillah Khan. Clear? Second part belongs to Bismillah Khan. Find the word and phrases that match these definitions. So you should have to find the words which define these definitions. The home, okay, so these definitions. These are the definition. You should have to find the proper word which suits them. Clear? Which clarify them. Write them down. The number of the paragraph where you will find the word and phrases has been given to you in the brackets. Listen, students, the first para. This word can be found in first para, then fifth para, then second. Write this. You should try to write themselves, but here I am giving you answers also. The home of royal place, it was in first paragraph na. औरंगजेब से स्टार्ट है ये पैरा. Royal residence. So the word used here for the royal home, royal people home is royal residence. The state of being alone. In fifth para, solitude. Listen, he used to practice in solitude. This was given in while he was in Banaras in paragraph fifth. A part which is absolutely necessary. An indispensable component. Indispensable component, it is given in second paragraph where Shehnai was become the indispensable part of any North Indian wedding. Remember that? Okay, you can also see in your book. Now comes the next three. To do something not done before. So do something which was not done before. So improvise. It is in fifth para. Improvise. He improvised some new ragna on Shehnai. Yes. Without much effort means effortlessly. It is given in 13 paragraph. Effortlessly. Quickly and in large quantity. Quickly and in large quantity. It is in ninth paragraph. That is thick. So quickly and large quantity, thick and fast. So quickly, fast and in large quantity, thick. Clear? You can also write like this, fast and thick. Clear? तो sequence में हो जाएगा. So right, take the right. Clear? So there are again two options given here. You should have to read this, understand and find which one is the correct. When something is revived, to give new life to. So what? Remains dead or lives again? Lives again. When we revive something, it started living again. Clear? For example, if there is an old chair and you what? Just use regmal on it and after that you paint it, it becomes new again. So lives again. When a government bans something, it wants it stopped or started. Government bans something, it wants it to stop. When something is considered auspicious, so auspicious means pious and pure. Everybody what? Welcome it. Avoid नहीं करते, welcome करते. When we take to something, we find it boring or interesting. Interesting. When we take to something means start doing something or we should started taking interest. So what? We find it very interesting. When you appreciate something, appreciate means praise. You find it good and useful, you find it no use. So means when we appreciate something, it means we find something good in it. So find it good and useful. When you replicate something, replicate to make a copy, do you do it for the first time or for the second time? So for the second time, because the original piece was already made for the first time. So replica is always the second time. When we come to terms with something, it is still upsetting, no longer upsetting. So when we come to terms with something, so when we made a patch up with something, so what happened? It no longer upset us. Clear? Now, one exercise also remains and that is from this. Your dictionary and complete the following table. The first one has been done for you. Listen students, these are some adjectives which are used in the second part of this story. Clear? Only before noun. So these adjectives use or placed in a sentence differently. Only before noun. So there are some on which only before the noun and they can't be used after the noun or after the verb. Clear? Not before noun. Both before and after the verb be. तो verb to be के बाद और पहले यूज होते हैं. क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट वन इज indispensable. The right one is correct. It is given in the example. Impressed. Impressed is also the adjective which can be used both before and after the verb be. Afraid. Afraid is also after verb be. Only after, not before. Only after verb be. Outdoors. Only before noun. pattern जैसे outdoor games, paternal only before noun, countless only before noun, priceless after the verb to be. Clear? After the verb to be. Now here the exercise also ends and we will start the second poem, The Wind, in the next video. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe.